integrity is the cornerstone of the service department. When we go and meet with a customer, what the customer is really asking us when they have a problem is, do you have the integrity to fix this issue? And the answer is yes. AquaGuard has the integrity to fix the issue. We're going to stand behind our work. We're going to take care of the customer. You're going to get exactly what you paid for. And that's an exciting thing to be a part of at AquaGuard.
I'm driven to give the best to the company, my customers, and my family. Driven means you are never satisfied. That's why at Gutters, we go the extra mile.
As a financial accountant, the core value of accountability is very close to my heart. In my world, it means someone who is responsible, trustworthy, and dependable. By setting goals and exceeding those goals, I am truly being accountable.
I find that selflessness is a really integral part of the sales process, especially here at AquaGuard. These clients call us out because they have major issues and concerns with their property, and they want to make sure that they have someone that's going to come out and not only give them quality time to listen to what their concerns are, going to make sure that we apply the right type of solution that fits them. And irregardless of any sort of compensation or recognition that I'm going to get, it's important that I get this right for these clients so they feel comfortable and secure in their home.
Here at AquaGuard, I reside in the service department. And one of my core values that I find to be most important is fun. Keeping the ladies in my room happy, smiling, giggling. I always want to see their pearls because I know if they're laughing, I've done my job. If I had a unique ability, I'd have to say it's an ability I've had since I was a child. I'm able to lower my testosterone to ungodly levels to deal with all forms of angry people. I don't do this out of my own will. I do this because I care for my superiors. I care for this company. And I just want to make sure that everybody here knows that with us, it truly matters.